officially on the road. Puppies are sleeping. Oh, sweet babies. We are heading out to Crescent Lake. It is it's near Forks, Washington. And so we're thinking hopefully tomorrow we get to actually explore Forks, which I'm a huge Twilight fan. Rusty's just gonna have to deal with exploring Forks and doing all the Twilight things with me. And the dogs are with us, so that should be really, really interesting. We're also hoping to hit the lake tomorrow and use our new boat and maybe go on a hike. We'll see. Tonight we already have dinner prepared. We have literally no plans. We've never been to this area before, so wish us luck.
Not very good with decisions. Know what's right, but I don't listen. And I should change, shouldn't need you, but I wake up and I miss you. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad.
It's raining.
I made a known man. I said, tell me your story. He took out a notepad
Juice.
and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got. I met a young man, searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When the time is up, it's time to go.
Poster included.
I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. for the answers, and you'll find what you've got. When you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen.
Tonight is walking taco night, so I'm going to take you guys through how I prep and how I make our walking tacos. So step number one, you're gonna need a bag of chips. I'm gonna choose my chips for eating while cooking. This is an important step. Must eat chips while cooking. Turkey meat, corn, onions, and bell peppers. Can of beans, cheese, and salsa. Just pour a drink, because camping. Everything's all heated up. We're ready to go. No. So it is officially our last day here. We have had so much fun. We visited, I want to say 3 or 4 different campgrounds in the area just to like do some exploring. We went down to Forks, we went into Port Angeles. We actually drove through Port Angeles on our way in, which was kind of funny. I was expecting this like big city. It's kind of like a downtown. It's cute little area. But that's where we went yesterday for breakfast, and we had to get some meds for Fudge because his ear was bothering him. Yesterday we went into the HOH Rainforest. It was really cool, but not dog friendly. It's a beautiful area. We would love to go back there one day, just without the dogs, unfortunately, which kind of sucks. We love having the dogs with us. This campground, Fairholme Campground near Forks, is incredible. We love it. It's also the off season, so we don't really have many people around us, and I'll show you that right now. That's a campsite. That's a campsite. There's a campsite right there and down there. Rusty's down putting the boat together. I'm making breakfast, and we're gonna eat breakfast in the boat and just like see how the lake is. It's absolutely stunning from the shore, so we're really excited to go explore, maybe do some fishing, and we'll catch back up with you then.
Sometimes it calls you right in the move. Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down.
We are home and I just wanted to like pop on and wrap up this video. We had so much fun camping and I know I've said that like a million times now. I'm gonna release another video that just kind of goes over the campgrounds that we went through and just reviews them. That area, Forks, was so cool. We had so much fun doing everything over there. We're definitely going back. There's a couple of places we really wanted to check out. There's a campground really close to Fairholme campground, like maybe a few miles just up the road. It's not on the lake though, so I don't know if we're gonna stay there, but there's supposed to be like hot springs and just like some really cool things to do. Maybe camp at in the future with the dogs, but we'll see. We like to bring the dogs with us and they kind of dictate what we do. So if the campground is like each site is far enough away from each other and there isn't like a ton of foot traffic, we will definitely talk about going back there again, maybe in November. If you hung out with me this entire video, thank you so much for watching it. Check out my other 2 videos. I have our first vlog, our first camping trip in the Popup camper. There's a bug right there. The thing's been living in there for like a week and I can't get it to get out. Come out. Our first vlog in the Popup camper, and then I have my other video, how to sew the cushions in your Popup camper or camper in general. Next week, I'll be dropping my video on how to paint the cabinets and the wallpaper in your camper or RV, whatever you use to camp in or live in. I'm super excited to drop that video and show you guys how. So don't forget to like and subscribe so that you know when I drop my next video, which is always on Sunday. I try to make it always on Sunday, but I'm new at this, so bear with me. Anyway, so thanks again, and I hope everyone has an awesome week. See you next Sunday. Bear chat, bear. You like for what? Why? Let me try one more time. So much traffic today.